wait till everybody goes back in. They close the whole street. Yeah, you gotta wait for them to go back in. Yeah.
So I used to teach her.
Yeah, they close the whole street. And this is the second time them coming out today.
Oh, so it's not a fire drill?
No, the kids are pulling the drill, the alarm, so they don't have to be in class. I literally was in there like an hour ago.
I knew, when I got out, when I came out, I knew what I was doing.
I was just in there. My son's right here, and he was complaining to me. He was like, Dad, they pull the fire drill like twice a day. No way. I'm in there twice a day.
And so, common sense would tell them what the powers that be or the teachers and the administrators to safeguard and try to, if anything, put a gate.